Alright, somebody asked for a quick walkthrough, so here's a quick walkthrough of the interior and a little bit of the engine bay. Alright, so obviously probably a Grant steering wheel. Now, those are the actual miles. Almost 70,000. It has a Hurst Promatic 2. Oh, can't even get that. Promatic 2 automatic shifter. A couple gauges down there. Aftermarket radioed, which doesn't actually work yet. Tachometer. Back seat's original. Front seats are not, from the last owner. And a couple goodie bags, new actually matched painted gaskets, gas cap. ADP Hollander book, probably repair manual, I believe it was. I actually have a bunch of badges. I have the original manual too. Alright. Pretty decent looking wheels. It does have a dual exhaust. We'll get under here. Alright. There's another one. It has glass packs already. From the looks of it, already on there. Surprisingly, not as loud as I was expecting for glass packs. Fuel tank isn't bad. Straps are great. Alright. Really, the worst spot is right here. Small little spot. Not a huge deal. Then here's the motor. Fiberglass hood. Regular old air filter, Wix air filter too. Just got to clean it up a bit. Can probably get these polished out pretty well. 4-barrel Holley carb. It's not bad. I mean, check out that spring and that washer stack in the background. If you can't really, I don't know if you can really see that. Looks like the plugs and stuff like that were done recently, somewhat recently at least. They're pretty clean. The plugs are actually fairly clean as well. It's hard to tell when you're not actually here looking at it. Polished up the dish a little bit. Alright. It's not bad. Screw. Gotta find the number of the block eventually, somewhere back there. Original distributor, actually. It's basically brand new battery and all that good stuff. Brought to you by A&A.